Hi, so these are the AMUSE-25 5-inch pleasers with the pointed toe and the straps at the ankle. It's a bit of a 360 view. Hi, it's Bambi again at Shoes of Hollywood. I'm going to be reviewing the AMUSE-25, the 5-inch red heel. So they come in the pleasers box with the cream coloured lid. You've also got a little duster bag. Put your shoes in there and protect them. And you've also got these little bags that comes in. So here's a look. They're super cute. They've got a pointed toe, some super nice straps at the ankle. These ones are a single sole. They do have a bit of a grip to the bottom too, but I find walking in the platform ones easier because this one's on a bit of an angle, as you can see, so we'll see how it goes. Also, this one is another review. We have done this shoe in the past, but you guys have been asking to see me in a single sole shoe, and Pleaser doesn't really release all too many shoes in this style. So to get these ones on, you've just got to loosen the little straps and then tighten them again. And then just do the little buckle at the side. And also to mention, you've got the little tissue paper in the top part of the shoe just to keep the shape. Alright, I'm going to take them for a walk. Here's a side view of these shoes. They're super nice, they're super dressy. You could wear them to a formal event, you could dress it down, wear them with a casual outfit. It's super hot outside, but we're going to take them outside, see how they go. So there's a bit of a look at these beautiful pieces. Make sure you guys give a thumbs up to the video, leave a comment, leave your opinions and your thoughts, and also subscribe. I'm just going to take them off. They're obviously a lot easier to get off than on. And yeah, so here's the code also for the shoe, so you can search it up and you can purchase it on the Shoes of Hollywood website. We're also going to be leaving the link in the description as well, so you can just click that and that'll take you straight to the page. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye guys.